Just wanted to jump on here real quick and let everybody know what's going on in our barbecue world. We had our generator stolen last Monday morning, along with a spare tire, an electrical cord, and a propane tank. And so it's kind of put a damper on our things. We can't really go anywhere without having a generator to work with. We don't have the funds to put one in use right now, so we're just kind of doing some DoorDashing to supplement income, and we've been able to do that since then, and it's been okay. It's not great. It's not what we're used to making every day, but it is something that keeps the cash flow coming in, and hopefully we can get some more funds in pretty soon and take care of that and get back out on the road selling some barbecue. But me and my wife talked about this. We like DoorDashing, and I think that we, even after we continue to do back in the barbecue business and set up and find locations, we're going to probably do some DoorDashing to supplement even more and help pay for Christmas and get other things that we need, and maybe start doing a few competitions, pay for competition money that way too. So I don't know if any of you guys have DoorDashed before, but it's interesting. You basically go to a restaurant, pick up the food, and deliver it to somebody, and they pay you to deliver it to them. There is a thing called the red card, where they send you to like Walgreens, and I'm trying to remember, there was some other place they wanted us to go, but anyways, you use that red card to pay for items you pick up. You shop for somebody, kind of like, it's like Instacart. Signed up for Instacart, but it wasn't approved, so we did the DoorDash thing. We also signed up for Uber Eats. We have not done that yet, but I'm looking forward to doing that as well, and seeing, I think it works basically the same way, so not too bad. You guys stay tuned. I'll give you some updates. We'll do a few more videos like this. Plus, I've got a video coming up. We're going to do some smoked cream cheese and smoked Velveeta and make some dips for that. You guys stay tuned for those as well. I'll try to get back on the video hustle here and come up with some new recipes to put out. Might do some open fire cooking. Haven't done that yet, and I'd like to do a little series on open fire cooking. So most of you guys have a backyard grill or a fire pit or something like that. So I'm trying to think of some things that I can do on there. Of course, burgers are always easy to do, but I can switch the recipe up. I've got some venison that I'd like to mix and do some burgers that way. Some venison burger. We had some bison not too long ago. Love alligator. Did alligator back in July for the 4th of July, and everybody loved it. Smoked it on my smoker. I'm also going to do a little review. I've had my Pit Boss 1600 Pro Series since February, I guess, of this year, 2021. And I'm going to let everybody know what I think about it. It's the big boy that they put out, you picked up at Lowe's. And I also have a Pro Series vertical, and I'm going to do a review on it. So both of them have plus and minuses to them, as everything always does. There's not a perfect cooker anywhere. I don't care if from a Yoder to a Pit Boss to your Weber. Everybody's got good things and bad things. You just have to weigh out what you want in something and go for it. So anyways, I hope you enjoy our videos, and make sure you like and subscribe, and Take care.